quick and easy guide to mastering Excel within 4 minutes. In this video, we'll show you how to insert and arrange a pivot table to analyze student performance data clearly and professionally. First, I am going to show Excel file with the student marks data. You can see table includes column headers, number, student name, subject, marks, term, and class. Click anywhere inside the data range. No need to select the entire table. Go to the top menu and click the Insert tab. Then, click Pivot Table. Excel will now ask where to place your pivot table. Choose New Worksheet and click OK. But if you wish to place pivot table on same sheet, you can select a cell where you want. When you tick on New Worksheet, you'll be taken to a new blank sheet with the pivot table field list on the right. Let's arrange our pivot table to make it easy to read and useful for analysis. First, I drag and drop subject into the rows area. Next, drag and dropped term below subject, also into the rows area. Now you'll see subjects grouped by term on the left. Then, drag student name into the columns area. Each student will now appear as a separate column. Finally, drag marks into the values area. Excel will automatically summarize it using the sum function, showing total marks for each student, subject, and term. Now you've got a full summary of student performance, broken down by subject and term, and organized per student across the top. You can make the pivot table easier to read by applying a pivot table style from the Design tab, centering text and resizing columns, and formatting numbers. Right-click the values, choose Number Format, and select Number with 0 decimal places. You can also filter or collapse categories using the plus and minus signs. And that's how you insert and arrange a pivot table for clear dynamic data analysis. Want more Smart Excel tutorials? Subscribe to How to Do, hit like, and ring the bell for weekly tips.